How to collect 10,000 in 1 year. Meet the 52-week challenge. In this video, I'll teach you how to save 10,000 reais, saving a certain amount of money every week. Saving a little money every week and depositing it in savings or any other application seems easy at first, but will you be able to maintain discipline in the long run? I believe you may have heard the term snowball pejoratively when associated with the accumulation of debts. But this term can be quite positive if we analyze it from another point of view, which is the accumulation of money. So I'll get straight to the point. What I come to propose to you here is a challenge. A 52-week challenge, i.e. exactly 1 year. In this challenge you will experience the vision positive of the term snowball. When to start accumulating money? Well, despite being simple, the principle applied in this challenge will require a lot of discipline and difference on your part, but the reward is certain. If you like this type of content, and find it useful, share it on your social networks with your friends and relatives and give it a like to help our channel. Answer the following question. Why do you want to save money? Most people save money or creates a reserve to be used for emergency expenses, the realization of dreams such as traveling, buying a car or a house, among other things. However, most people cannot separate out of your monthly earnings, have a discipline to avoid superfluous spending and save money. Spending money can be pleasurable in the short term, but it doesn't help you achieve bigger goals. Have you noticed this yet? Routinely save small amounts of money within a period of price can promote a behavioral change in you in the way you handle your money and how the prize, in addition to the accumulated money, will make you like the financial strategy. In that sense, the 52-week challenge will be the turning point for success for many people. In this video, I'll show you the way and you'll decide if you want to follow it. Although simple, the 52-week money accumulation challenge trains you to create the habit of saving. So, to be able to complete the challenge, you will need discipline, determination, and motivation. It will help you accumulate a certain amount without having to save large sums right at the beginning. Plus, starting the first week of January, you have exactly 52 weeks left until the end of the year, so this is the perfect time to start the challenge and save money. But if you happen to be watching this video later in the year, that's also okay. What is the ultimate 52-week money-saving challenge? As the name implies, the challenge encourages weekly savings of a certain amount for a year. Let's take a didactic example. We will start the first week by saving just $1. In the second week, we will save this amount by adding another $1, therefore $2. In the third week, we will save the amount accumulated in the second week and add the initial amount of $1, therefore $3. And so on, until the 52nd week, saving $52. Now is where the magic happens. In the end, if the plan is followed correctly, you will have saved the sum of $1378. Let's now move on to our simulation that will help to get the amount proposed in this video.
Nesse vídeo.
Well, to arrive at the amount proposed in the video, we will only use the amount of $7.50.
Comece o seu desafio com apenas R$ 7,50 e
start your challenge with just $7.50 and in the second week add another $7.50, totaling $15. In the third week, add to this value the initial amount of $7.50, totaling $22.50. Continue at this rate until completing the 52nd week, where you will have to spend $390 in the last week. In the end, your reward for your discipline will be the accumulated amount of $10,335. Your prize will not only be earning money, but acquiring habits that can change the way you handle money. If you don't want to start with this value, you can start with smaller values, where you will end up with the following values. What's up, did you like it? This tip deserves that like, doesn't it? If you found this tip interesting, share it on your social networks. For you who stayed until this moment in the video, we have a bonus for you. It is possible to get even more accumulated money if you increase the amount saved weekly, or put that amount in a digital account yielding 100% of the CDI. I hope you put these tips into practice this year. If you intend to participate in this challenge or like the tip, comment in the comments. I would like to hear your opinion. Want more tips? Then subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to receive more tips like these.